Yahoo! Prof here with some more Pokemon pulls. We saw it sound a little bit rough. It's because today sucked. Um, Migraines led to voms, but I still want to chill a bit tonight. Yeah, we've got a couple new things that came in. Some new, some more Amazon warehouse deals, and I can tell you that I've already checked out one of them, and somebody's pulling the same old shit and sending it back. So let's quick give you an overview of what came in, and then we'll hit those Amazon warehouse deals real quick here. Alright, so first up here, this came in actually before I was supposed to leave for work, and this is Sun and Moon Unified Minds. It's got the Mew and the Mewtwo on there. Booster box. So it's got 3 packs of cards, unopened, shrink wrapped, etc. So this should be exactly what it is. I mean, I ordered it that way. These are for 3 packs, stupid expensive, and this was through Amazon. But I checked it against third parties, and what I thought was a lot for Amazon, I don't remember the exact price, but it's probably like more than 20 bucks. For 3 packs. That's still cheaper than third parties were selling it. Next up, we got this guy here. I think this is finally the rest of my GameStop order. Today for this we got one of the knockoff Gerber EABs. You get a 6-pack on Amazon. They actually swap blades super nice with that quick release mechanism, but the play in the whole knife, like this one's pretty tight. But the play in the blade especially, but on some of them the whole knife is like rattly. But for 20 bucks, and they come with a lot of blades if you guys don't have them. Recommended. So in here we've got 2 Sword and Shield Darkness Ablaze boosters, because when I ordered from GameStop, they cap at 2. Whatever you buy from Pokemon from them, 2. So I got 2 of those. I don't remember what they're called, battle boxes or something like that. That have a bunch of like 4 packs in them. If you watched a recent video, I had one through Amazon Warehouse that was, well, already emptied of anything worth anything. So we'll add these to the old pile. Still horrible weather, because that's why I ended up having a migraine in the first place. No idea how lay bombs is connected to that at all. But yeah, I'm feeling pretty shit today. Next up, we got an Amazon warehouse deal here. This is a Zygarde deck. I gotta double check that this is the same one, because I swear I just picked this one up at XY Fates Collide and Battle Ruler Team deck. I swear I just picked this one up from Target in person. So it wouldn't make sense for me to have ordered one, especially a Amazon warehouse one. So I gotta make sure they didn't send me the wrong thing. Or sometimes, like you say, there's like 2 to 3 decks in a series. Sometimes you don't get to choose which one. But that, to me, as you guys saw here, the decks seem to be pretty safe to get via Amazon warehouse, because so far all these boxes have not been opened. And then the last 2 things that came in here are the Empoleon deck, also Amazon warehouse. Doesn't seem like it's opened at all. So we'll probably, take a look at this, and then the last would be I ordered another Mewtwo EX box because it was just really cheap via Amazon warehouse. But pretty sure it's going back because even though that's XY Evolutions in there, did the Mewtwo EX even have XY Evolutions? I just opened one. You guys will have to tell me. But, listen to that. You can hear cards moving. They cut the bottoms off all the boosters. So, yeah, that's going back. We're going to crack it open, though, since it has to go back anyway. Why the heck not, right? Alright, so I had just opened up Mewtwo EX in one of the very recent videos. And since we're not doing actual pulls here, we're just going to stay up on the big old tripod. Yeah. If you notice, this is flipped around. And initially when I took a look, it looked like, until I heard this, that the packs were in there. But then you can see that there's no foil on the bottom of any of them. So once again, some dicks, basically opened it, took the cards out, and repackaged it. In a second here, we'll be able to see which cards were actually removed. Might as well, since it's getting sent back, right? So first up, Mewtwo EX is replaced with a common non-hollow Mincio. Great, alright. Would you look at that? Or Mincio. Alright, so we still have our Mewtwo EX Giant card. I'm guessing they probably already had it and didn't need a whole bunch of them. Yeah. So here's supposed to be XY Fates Collide, opened. Doesn't even feel like 10 cards to me. Spoink. Coughing, Cottony, Larvitar, Trainer, Dugong, and Wigglytuff. No hollow. Here's what should be XY Evolutions, with the cards in the wrong order. And we've got here Magnemite, Machop, Weedle, Doduo, Poliwhirl Reverse Hollow. That's interesting. Kakana, and 2 trainer cards. Another Fates Collide here, in there backwards, with the cards on the wrong side. Then we got a Burmy, Carbink, Larvitar. If you're running, these are all commons, so like repack these. Mincio, Reverse Hollow, Kabuto, Trainer. You don't get a pack like that, guys. That's not how that works. And then here's another XY Evolutions. Voltorb, Sandshrew, Poliwag, Diglett, Seal, Kakana, Trainer, and Machoke. No hollow again. Like, it seems odd that they would even like bother putting stuff back, but these are all commons. Maybe some whatever the thing after common is. The little, not rare, little diamond thing. So yeah, and the other XY evolutions. These are all commons, or I'm blanking on what the other kind is. You know, other than rare here. Common. It's like, why even bother putting the hollow back or a hollow in there? Because you're not getting 3 trainer cards in one of these like some of these are set up. Like, not all of these have even the correct amount of cards in the pack. Because in like many of these, it's... So apparently they cut the bottom open as low as they can. On some of these they did a decent job, and this one they did a shit job. And then they repack it with all common cards. I'm surprised this is as common as it is. I'll put it in my comments again that, hey, and I've been taking screenshots when I've ordered these of exactly what they are, and most of them are like, box is damaged, all contents are there, stuff like that. You know, like the normal Amazon warehouse stuff. Obviously, somebody, they're repacking the crap out of these. I'll have to retape that before I send it back out. So, next up here on our Amazon warehouse finds that I'm going to open here is the Empoleon deck here. Got like heartburn going on now. Nice sharp blade on there, even though it's not carbide. Slide that out. So this seems fully, fully good. So we're gonna do this cracking in the next video here. Stop back in and check it out, and hopefully you enjoyed this one. Any comments, suggestions, and anything else, throw it down below. Down below. Otherwise, if you're interested in the online codes, hit me up on Twitter. Give them away there at the Prophecist. And for updates on the channel, you can join our Discord. We have an announcements channel, or follow at Tech Exchange the on your various social media platforms. See you in the next one.